Yeah, but this is one building that you can unlock. There's another one too, but I don't know what that one is. Yeah.
I didn't
Head home at the Lucky Hatch.
Oh, he's
Yeah,
right
that's-
there. He's right there.
Raider,
Right there.
over there.
Friendly? 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 We're friendly. We are friendly. We're friendly. We're friendly. It's okay. Well, that guy's not. That spider's not friendly. You want to come with us? We're going to a raider hatch. You want to extract with us? We're going raider. Going raider hatch over here. Okay, he's shooting at us.
Yeah, that's enough. What the? Ow.
Right side.
Right side. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Really, guys?
They're coming to get us. They're coming to finish us off. They're finishing off Kit right now. Kit is finished off. The next one up. And he's finishing me off right now. And he's killed me. Clutch. Good clutch.